Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'd just like to thank my subscribers and any new people watching today or people that haven't subscribed. Don't be scared to, subscribing is free. Just notifies you when my movies come up. You can turn the notifications off so you don't get any messages and things like that. But I won't have to send you the link or anything like that. So yeah, well today's a bit of a mish. We're out of Broome, about 40 k's at the moment, heading to the Fitzroy, then we're heading to Kununurra, and then we're heading over to Wyndham. So we've got a 4-day mission. So I'm going to do tonight, camped at the bank, do some barra fishing off the shore with some liveys tonight, then sleep there, then carry on from there to Kununurra, which is another 800 k's. Meet up with the boys. We've got 2 6 meters boats waiting for us up there. Meet up with the boys, Paul and his 3 sons, and then head out and go for some Goldies, bit of mulloway action probably, and the odd Barra. So we'll keep you posted, and I'll let you know when we get down the Fitzroy, and hopefully we get a Barra on the way. That'll be a bonus. Woo! Yes! Big Barra. That's not a fucking Barra. Can't believe it. Yeah. It's absolutely shark. That was a big shark. Look at this. Big Portsmouth crab. Another good crab. Big muddies. Woo! Nice little red. Look at that. Oh yeah. Something big here. Big one. Yeah, nice Freddy. First good blue bone. First little trout. The size of this one. Fuck yeah. Look at it. Look at that. Fucking sick. Woo! So we got 2 days, or 3 days and 2 nights out camping on the boat, sleeping on the boat. We've got big tides for the next few days, meaning we're going to have some serious water movement going on, and a fair bit of dirty water and a fair bit of flow to it. I advised to go with a local first time around Wyndham. She's a harsh old fucking country, this one. You really want to know what you're doing. This is a 7 metre tide and it's absolutely fucking ripping. So I've forgotten what small tides that are actually bigger like. I'm used to 10 metre tides in Broome, but she's fair moving here. Alright, we're making our way down from Wyndham boat ramp through the islands up to a creek about 60 k's, 60 to 80 k's up into the islands. So it's probably a 300k round trip, so a fair bit of fuel involved. We've all got jerrys, so we're heading up there. We're trying to find some Barra in the creeks really at low tide, which was our aim, and then we get a few finger mark out in the open water, on the headlands, the broken ground, out in the ocean side. We're meeting 2 other boats tonight when we get to our location, where we'll be camping overnight in the bay. It's just like a fatter part of the river, keep us away from the mangroves and the mozzies and the sandflies during the night. Like I said, meeting up 2 other boats. There'll be 4 boats in this convoy, probably 10 people, all people from Kununurra. We've all drove an hour out here to Wyndham to convoy through the islands here up to our fishing location. Fucking good fish, that one. Yeah. Nice. Work, fellas. Fucking shark. There we go. They're the ones you're talking about? That's the one. The exact one. Sand shark. Fucking wings. Rattler. The old rattler. Yeah. Got about 10 of our boats, that shark.
Yeah. Could be fucking about this big. Yeah.
I didn't see what come over the edge. Did we see what it was?
Nah, I didn't.
Which way they drift, and we'll go sit up from them.
Oh, there we go, little lump there. Finally got something here. Taking a while. Could be another set of lines on that too. Could be my line that caught it. There we go.
Finally, we got a real fish.
Finally, look at that. Nice size.
Hey guys, how's it going? Well, we're at Wyndham again, day 2. It's been pretty uneventful. I got a nice big mulloway, about 1 metre. The other young fellas, Paul's young fellas, got a couple of nice finger mark, about 55, 60. But other than that, it's been pretty quiet. Paul's out chasing some bait now, so we're just going to get some mullet and go sit up the creek and try for a barra on the dropping tide over the low. Oh, here's the fish I got. A good size Dewey. 105. I think I've seen a blue nose tail.
Oh, yeah. Let's see what we've got.
Or is a big caddy.
Oh, that's a big Barra. Yep.
Hey? Did you see
Barra.
it?
He just doesn't know he's hooked yet. There we
Nah,
go.
shark.
That's a barramundi if I ever saw one.
Fucking sorry. Okay, no. Oh, you're on your own with that one. I'm busy now. He's got a little more on him. One good shot of him before he tries to attack us.
Okay, we've got something on here. We've called it as a mulloway. Everyone's called it a mulloway.
Big sticking flatty.
And what have we got?
Big fucking catfish. Look at the size of it.
We're in Wyndham, mate. They're called catfish, not mulloway. So lucky there, fella.
Thought I had a big thready then. It's sort of gold tail.
You probably call them barramundi in Broome, do you? Right?
Barra, yeah. Go. Fucking catfish.
Look at the disappointment.
1,000 fucking Ks and there's still fucking catfish. There we go, it's been hard fishing in Wyndham, but finally got one. Been out fished by the young fellas the whole time. Got the mulloway today earlier, after a lot of hours. And I've got the Barra, they do exist here in Wyndham. So there we go, 70 centimetre. I've just come right up the back of the tide, with the tide up to the back of a creek. Check out the fresh water, little waterfall pouring off the back of the mountain. So we've got a couple of hours, we're going to park up in there and go and check it out. Looks like a good spot. The water's a different colour up here. Real green, all that bloody fresh. Looked alright back there if you can walk around this bit. Yeah. Shit mate, look how clear it is. See this shit? Look at that. That's fucking magnificent. Like a nice spot, isn't it? A beautiful little spot here. Got the 2 boats down there. Fellas are having a swim. We all just had a wash for pretty feral. Couple of days have been no showers, so we're pretty feral. Oh well, here we are. Little secret waterfall, secret creek. It's in the back of Wyndham. Just come up here on the top of tide and they head back into the creek to spend the night and then head home in the morning. But it haven't been too bad. I managed to get a 70 centimetre Barra and a metre mulloway today and a metre catfish. Paul's young fella's got a few Barra between them, littler ones, and then a couple of nice finger mark yesterday and a few smaller ones today. So overall it wasn't too bad, but the fishing was pretty slow. Not as good as I was expecting, but that's fishing for you, and I'll be back again to try to make it happen. Nice little gorge is banging through. Pump. Like you can just listen to the power of it. Went through the gorge. Look how big the walls are here. Look at that. It's going off, mate, isn't it? It's going off. Cranking. Oh yeah. There's quite a few actually running, isn't there? Is that just coming out of the rock? Yeah, there was one back there just coming straight out of the rock like a big squirt. Straight into the water. I don't think that'd be a stream, would it? It's be coming out of the rock. There we go, good little haul. Boy's got a couple of really big goldies. A couple of Barra, a couple of mulloway we put back. Look at all this crap. There's some fucking ferals around, I tell ya. You know, who the fuck does this? Rubbish everywhere. I'm gonna pick up all the recycling, get something for it, and then I'll pick up the rubbish and I'll group it all together. When I got here, there was just like fucking rubbish everywhere, like you wouldn't believe. Like, I just picked up a heap of rubbish and whacked it over there. It was just like ridiculous. I took the recycling with me, but I'm not picking up no fucking toilet paper and stuff. That can stay. Yeah, well, look at that. All that was just everywhere.